A 6.1 magnitude earthquake strikes northwestern Turkey. A 6.1 magnitude earthquake shook Balikesir Province in northwestern Turkey on Sunday, causing about a dozen buildings to collapse, according to an official. At least 2 people were reported trapped under the rubble of one of the buildings. The quake, with its epicenter in the town of Sindirgi, sent tremors that were felt about 200 kilometers north in Istanbul, a city of over 16 million people. 4 people were rescued from the collapsed building in the town, while rescue teams worked to save 2 others still trapped inside. Several houses and mosque minarets also collapsed in the village of Gölcük.
Yıkıldı. Allah'ım.
Turkey's Disaster and Emergency Management Authority said the earthquake was followed by several aftershocks, including one with a magnitude of 4.6, and urged residents not to enter damaged buildings. President Recep Tayyip Erdogan issued a statement wishing all those affected a speedy recovery. "May God protect our nation from all kinds of disasters," he said.
Yaklaşık 15 saniyedir sürüyor. Hala devam ediyor deprem.
Health Minister Kemal Memisoglu said 4 people were being treated in hospital. None of them were in critical condition, he said. The quake was felt in several cities in the west of the country, including Istanbul and the popular tourist destination of Izmir, officials said.
Aşağı düşme abi. Aşağı inme. Atma kendini aşağı düş bak.